Yo, what is up guys? Check it out. It's a quick little video. I'm gonna just show y'all something that I couldn't find on YouTube, and I want to show y'all or help people out that have the same issue. So right here, check it out. We have a 2013 Dodge Durango that had a mysterious coolant leak. I couldn't find it nowhere. The radiator, nowhere the water pump, thermostat, wasn't anywhere. Come to find out, it's leaking from the heater hoses way in the back over here. As you can see, this is the way to remove it. There's no other way. You have to remove, you pretty much have to remove the intake manifold, the wipers, the wiper shield, all that stuff that's on top of the engine. You have to remove it. If not, it's not gonna come out. This is a part right here. So as you can see, it cracks right here, somewhere like this. They crack right in between. So they crack right here. This is where they crack. They're made of plastic. I don't know why, but AutoZone doesn't sell it, O'Reilly's doesn't sell it, Advance, XL, they don't sell this part, only the dealership. So that's that damaged part. This is a new part. As you can see, it comes with the whole assembly. This is a part number, just in case you're looking for it. 5503 8040 AJ. There's a part number. It's the heater hose assembly. It comes with the entire heater hoses. We're gonna install this back in, put some coolant in, and turn it on, bleed it, and it should be ready to go. So this is just a quick video to show y'all that you gotta remove all this stuff. There's no other way. Remove the cover on top. It's pretty easy. Just remove the wipers, remove the wiper mount, remove the shield on top. Next, remove the intake manifold, and you have full access to the hoses. It's a 5.3 hour job, so it is pricey. So that's all the parts we have to remove. Intake manifold, the intake tube. Over here we got the wipers, the shield for the wipers, wiper over here. But yeah guys, if you need help, just I mean, I would say let me know, but if you're in Houston, yeah, I can help you out. But yeah guys, this is just a quick little video showing the removal of heater hoses for a Dodge Durango. I think the Jeep Cherokee are the same, should be the same, but should be the same thing. And I forgot to mention, you have to cut your finger, if not they will not come out. So you have to cut your finger to remove the hoses, if not they're not gonna come out. Peace. All right guys, check it out. We are completely done with the Dodge Durango. We are pretty much done. Went ahead and put the coolant in. Make sure you have the correct one. We're bleeding the system as we speak, and everything's in. As you can see, everything's nice and pretty. Intake, the shield, wiper shield thing, cover, wipers, the motor, everything's in. So all we got to do is wait for it to wait for the fans to kick in, and that's about it guys. So that's how you replace this heater hose, and just a brief explanation of where it is, how to do it, and yeah guys, catch you in the next video. Peace.